Back to the ball game. We're down to the third quarter. Kabu versus Cruz Roja. Ginaganap dito sa Kaligid Norte Gym. This is sponsored by Glenn's Cafe dito sa Cabanatuan City.
Pass to Ariza. 2 in the corner. Amba. 2 balls. Atayde to Reyes. Lose the ball. Pero Reyes pa rin. Pass to Atayde. Atayde to Soriano. Tumira ng
40-45.
3. Foul. Jersey. Number 11.
Cruz Roja is wearing white pink.
First personal foul. First.
White black. Sino kaya mananalo? Isa sa pinakamalakas na pumutan din sa buong Cabanatuan ng Cruz Roja eh. At di rin nagpapahuli ang Kabu.
Soriano.
Well-trained.
10 seconds shot now to Atayde. To Soriano. 5 seconds. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Soriano. Tumira ng 3. Same ball. 1 second shot lang. Sabrep. 1 second shot. 1 second shot lang. Good. Rebound by Ariza. Pass to Kaman. Back to Ariza. 2. Steal by Manyo. Manyo. 2 points. Kamano to Ariza. Ariza. Pass in the corner to Abba. 2 points. Oras, 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Man, dribbling the ball past 2. Atayde to Soriano. Soriano Nagu. Rebound by Soriano pa rin. Pass to Atayde. 2. Mundon. Mundon. Pass to Atayde. 5 seconds. 2 balls.
Tatlo na lang ang lamang uli.
Turia. Pass to Ariza. Feliciano. Nagu. Rebound by Mundon. Foul. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Atayde to Manyo. Manyo dribbling the ball. Jersey number 40. Second personal foul. Third quarter na. First team foul. Oras 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Ariza. Pass to Kamano to Doria pero galing sa labas. Oloru. Shot out. SK na. So again. Atayde. Atayde sa malaksak pero may foul. Jersey number 11. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Shot out. Soriano. Third timeout. Atayde. Pass to Mundon. Pass to. Oy. Timeout. Barangay Kabu. Score 44-47. Oras 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Shout out sa SK ng Barangay Cruz Roja.
To the ball game. Parin tayo sa third quarter. Kabu versus Cruz Roja. Score is 44-47. 3 puntos ang lamang ng Cruz Roja laban sa Kabu.
Ariza. Ariza pass to Feliciano. Back to Ariza. To Turia. To Amba. Amba for 3. Rebound.
3 points. Napalaki uli ang lamang. 44-50.
Reserve sa Soriano. Soriano calling out down the green to Ataide. 10 seconds shot clock. Ataide hooks. Foul, jersey number 11. Warning for foul down. Warning for penalty Sabret. Oras 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Warning Balangbo. Montron. Pass to Soriano. 10 seconds shot clock. Soriano to Mario Pero. Saves the ball to Soriano. 5 seconds. Shot clock violation. Arize. He bring the ball pass to Duran 2. Ambala naman for 3. Wala na wali. Ponce. Lose the ball. Pero save ball. Amba to Duran. Wala pero nakakuha. Duran pa rin. Foul. Jersey number 1. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sabret. Oras 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Kamala. Pass to Amba Black. Save ball. Pass to Duran. 10 seconds shot na Ariza for 3. No good. 3 ball by Camano. Wala. Rebound again kay Camano. Wala na ba? Rebound by Duran. Wala. Rebound by Soriano pass 2. Santay Guyo to Vanyu. 2 balls. Ariza. Pass to Duran. To Ama back to Duran. For 3. No good. Carol. Save ball. Kaman. To Ariza. Foul. Jersey number 1. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Amba. Amba pass to Camano. 8 seconds. Rebound by Soriano. Soriano. Pass to Montron. Back to Soriano. 10 seconds shot down. Soriano for 3. No good. Rebound by Manu. Manu 2. 8 seconds shot down. Rest. Nawala. Pero. Wala lang. Bruce Brown. Oras. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Ariza. Pass to Duran, back to Ariza. Ariza break. Fix. Pinilit pero pinasa. 8 seconds shot lang. Amba using the ball. 2 balls. Strong. 46-52. Reyes 2. Montron, 10 seconds shot now. Pass to Soriano. 5 seconds. 2 points still by Camano. Camano, pero. Foul. Jersey number 4. Sabret. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Manyo. Manyo. Pass to Santa Iglesia, back to Manyo. Manyo for 3. Airborne, Vero. 2 points. Jesse, number 2. Good lang, good. Wrong button. Ariza. Pass to Abatu Camaro. Rebound. Oras, 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass by jersey number 2. 2. Santa Iglesia, 2 points. Score 57-50. 7-point lead, Barangay Cruz Rock. Ariza. Ariza Brent. Pass to Abatu. Duran. No good. Rebound by Duran again. Pass to Laguillas. 8 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 13. Third personal foul. Penalty. Oras 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Pasok. Last throw. Wala nakakuha ni Santa Iglesia. Ay, sabi ko na tatlo ba? Pasok. Score 59-50. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Soriano. Pass to Mike. 8 seconds shot clock to jersey number 2. Nogu. Rebound by Amba. Amba pass to Camano to Ariza. Nogu. Rebound by Amba. Wala break. Garang Camano. 2 balls. Last 2 minutes. Meron ba ako dyan? Soriano. Pass to Reyes. 8 seconds, shot clock. Reyes. 5 seconds. Shot clock. Violation. Sabrip. Durian. Durian ginugulo niya tayo din binasa kanina. Kay Camacho. Rebound. At Hayden. Pass to jersey number 2. Manyo. Manyo 2 balls. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Turia pass to Kaman. Pero traveling violation. Time out, Barangay Kabu. Score 52-64. 12-point lead, Barangay Cruz Rock.
Back to the ball game.
Outside the break. What a nice hustle. Pero foul. Jersey number 22. Puya. Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty. Wala, rebound by Pula. Pass to Dunya. Last 40 seconds. Durant pass to Bulat for 3. Rebound. Manyo drives. Pass in, check by Durant. Last 20 seconds. 2, 0.
17 seconds
Last
left.
17 seconds.
Ang tagal ng third quarter.
At Heidi. 10 seconds. Pass to Soriano. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter is gone. 53-67.